Ko Tukua Storytelling e kaupapa e āngai ana ki ngā kaupapa kōrero o roto Whanganui me te kāhui maunga mo te āpori Māori o kōnei. E kaupapa oki ai tautoko i te āpori i roto e nei wā o te mate urutā. E uri no te awa tupua te tokorua nei, koe nei te take kei te aro āraua ki ngā kōrero ake o te kāinga.
Those of us that are involved with Tukua Storytelling Studios, we're all uri of te kāhui maunga, and traditionally our people were storytellers, so we are just looking at ways that we can bring back the art of storytelling, and in particular trying to connect our people with some of the great kaupapa that are happening around the place.
We've been actively involved in kaupapa here in our rohe for a long time and doing bits and pieces individually and together at times, and we thought, hey, why not join creative forces? Let's get together, let's draw on our collective skill sets and see how we can support a space where there is room for our stories to be told.
E ara i te mea e pūrongo te awa o ngā kōrero mai i a Tukua Storytelling, engari e kaupapa no roto i te āpori.
Our stories are tell local stories about local kaupapa and about local people. At the moment we are working with a number of our iwi groups and organisations, and some of that stuff is really important, like we need to get some of those stories out there.
So we were approached by some other organisations, the likes of Whanganui, who were celebrating their 50-year celebrations, who asked us to do a bit of a journey into the wakapapa of Awhi and to talk to some of the pou on that coast. And so our crew were lucky enough to go and walk the whenua and to interview some of these people and get to tell the Awhi story. And so yeah, we were really privileged and we learned a lot from that process as well.
I roto i ngā wā o te taumata ohiti tuawha, nā Tukua i tuku ki te āpori.
There was a need to connect with our, and unfortunately during particularly level 4 and level 3, we can't connect kanohi ki te kanohi as much as we would like to. So we had to use those other platforms like social media and using video to tell our stories.
Tupua Collective, so the iwi organisations from the Ruapehu, the Rangi TK and here on the awa, communicating with our that can be utilised by all of our
E wāhanga